Love food but think cooking is hard? Don't worry, today we're making cooking simple, fun, and delicious. So are you ready to get cooking? Let's get started. Let's talk about the cornerstone of good cooking, a hot pan. Starting with a cold pan is like trying to win a marathon in flip-flops. A preheated pan is your secret weapon for achieving that beautiful sear and golden brown crust. When you introduce your food to a hot surface, it caramelizes, creating rich flavors. A cold pan will stew your food, resulting in a bland mess. Think of a steak, slap it onto a cold pan and you'll end up with a sad, gray piece of meat. But throw it onto a searing hot pan, and listen to that sizzle. You'll get those gorgeous grill marks and a juicy, flavorful interior. Vegetables, too, benefit from a hot pan, giving you that lovely char and satisfying crunch. So, remember folks, a hot pan is non-negotiable. Now crank up that heat and let's get cooking. We're about to unlock the secret to transforming your dishes from bland to bold. Imagine taking a simple meal and turning it into a culinary masterpiece with just a few sprinkles and dashes. That's the power of proper seasoning. The magic word is seasoning. It's the unsung hero of the kitchen, the element that can make or break a dish. Without it, even the freshest ingredients can fall flat. We're going to layer those flavors, building them up like a symphony. Each spice and herb adds its own unique note, creating a harmonious blend that dances on your taste buds. First things first, ditch that iodized table salt and grab some decent sea salt. Sea salt has a more complex flavor and can really elevate your dishes. Salt is your friend, your flavor enhancer, your culinary wingman. It's not just about making food salty, it's about enhancing the natural flavors of your ingredients. It brings out the natural sweetness of your ingredients and balances bitterness. Think of it as the foundation upon which you build your flavor profile. But salt alone won't cut it. We need complexity and depth of flavor. This is where other spices come into play, adding layers and dimensions to your dishes. Freshly ground peppercorns, black, white, pink, experiment and find your favorites. Each type of peppercorn brings its own unique heat and aroma. The world of spices is your oyster, smoky paprika, earthy cumin, fragrant coriander, fiery chili flakes. Each spice tells a story and adds its own character to your dish. Add a pinch here, a dash there, and taste as you go. Don't be afraid to experiment and adjust. Cooking is as much about intuition as it is about technique. Remember, we're building layers of flavor, not overwhelming our palates. Each addition should complement, not overpower the others. Season at every stage of cooking, before you sear, while cooking, and a final sprinkle before serving. This ensures that every bite is packed with flavor. This layering technique will elevate your cooking to a whole new level. It's the difference between a good dish and a great one. Your taste buds will be doing the tango and your guests will be begging for more. They'll wonder what your secret is, and you'll know it's all in the seasoning. So go forth and season like you mean it. Embrace the art of seasoning and watch your culinary creations come to life. It's time to master the art of chopping like a true chef, with nothing but a good knife and a steady hand. The foundation of great chopping starts with the right tools and techniques. A sharp knife is a safe knife. Regularly sharpening your knife ensures that it cuts through ingredients smoothly and reduces the risk of accidents. A dull knife is more likely to slip and cause accidents. Keep those knives honed and ready for action. Honing your knife regularly helps maintain its edge between sharpenings. Hold your knife firmly, but not too tight. A relaxed grip allows for better control and reduces hand fatigue during extended chopping sessions. Your index finger and thumb should rest on the top of the blade. This grip provides stability and precision. The key to efficient chopping is to use a rocking motion, keeping the tip of your knife on the cutting board. Don't lift the knife completely off the board with each chop. That's wasted energy. Instead, let the knife do the work for you. Keep those fingers tucked in. Use the claw grip. Curl your fingers inward, using your knuckles as a guide. This technique not only protects your fingers, but also ensures consistent cuts. Let's practice on some vegetables, onions, carrots, and celery. These are great for honing your skills because they require different types of cuts. Start with a rough chop, which is perfect for soups and stews where uniformity isn't crucial. Then work your way down to finer dices and juliennes. These cuts are ideal for salads and garnishes where presentation matters. Practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to get those knives dirty. With patience and practice, you'll develop muscle memory and speed. You'll be chopping like a pro in no time. You'll be amazed at how much faster and more efficient you become in the kitchen. Your confidence will grow with each chop. Your dishes will look and taste all the more impressive. So grab your knives and let's get chopping. Remember, the journey to mastering knife skills is ongoing, and there's always something new to learn. We're about to delve into the fascinating world of cooking oils, because using the right oil is crucial for culinary greatness. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook, understanding the different types of oils and their uses can elevate your dishes to new heights. Oil is not just oil. Each has its own unique properties, smoke point, and flavor profile. The smoke point is the temperature at which oil starts to smoke and break down, affecting the taste and nutritional value of your food. Let's start with olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil is perfect for drizzling over salads and finishing dishes. Its robust flavor and low smoke point make it ideal for cold dishes or adding a final touch of richness. For cooking over medium heat, opt for regular or light olive oil. These oils have a higher smoke point than extra virgin, making them suitable for sautéing and light frying without compromising flavor. Next, the neutral oils, canola, vegetable, and grapeseed oil. These oils have a mild flavor and high smoke points, making them versatile for a variety of cooking methods. These are best for high-heat cooking like frying and searing. Their neutral taste won't overpower the flavors of your ingredients, allowing the natural taste of your food to shine through. For special occasions, we have nut oils, walnut, hazelnut, pistachio, perfect for drizzling over roasted vegetables and desserts. These oils add a unique, nutty flavor that can transform a simple dish into something extraordinary. And let's not forget coconut oil, great for baking, frying, and sautéing. Its distinct flavor and high smoke point make it a favorite for both sweet and savory dishes. Using the right oil can make all the difference in flavor and texture. The right choice can enhance the taste, appearance, and even the nutritional value of your meals. Experiment with different oils, explore their unique qualities, and find your favorites. Don't be afraid to try something new and see how it changes your cooking. And whatever you do, don't be afraid to get a little greasy in the kitchen. Embrace the mess, and enjoy the process of creating delicious meals. So, let's get cooking with the right oils. With the right knowledge, and a bit of experimentation, you can take your culinary skills to the next level. So there you have it. Cooking doesn't have to be daunting. With a few simple tips and tricks, you can create restaurant-quality meals at home. Don't be afraid to experiment, get creative, and have fun in the kitchen. Cooking is all about experimenting, so get in the kitchen and have fun.